Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.